This is Unit 2, Lesson 5. These are the Now You Try sample problems. If you have not tried these on your own, please try them on your own before watching the solution videos so that you can see if you understood what the lesson was about. If you didn't, then I would suggest you watch some of the previous example videos or rewatch the lesson. So now you try number 1. We want to find the measure of angle I. So I extended the given parallel lines already. I am again going to use Euclid's parallel postulate, which states that through a point not on a given line, which are those two parallel lines there, we can draw a line through that point that is parallel to the given lines. So I've done that. So all three of these lines are parallel, according to Euclid's parallel postulate. So we want to find the measure of angle I, which is this angle right here. Again, I'm going to use a different method from before, and you can again do this in another way other than what I'm going to show you. So we have this transversal here, and we have this angle and this angle, which because the two lines are parallel and they are corresponding, they are congruent angles. So we know this is 129 degrees. So this is corresponding angles are congruent when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Notice I keep writing this over and over again. This is extremely important to remember. So we have 129 degrees right here. I'm going to tidy this up a little bit so that we can see it. It's a little hard to see. So I'm going to use the same angle relationship, but I'm going to use the other transversal. So I have an angle here, and it corresponds with this angle here. And again, because these two lines are parallel, we know this equals 117. So notice what we have going on here. All three of these angles have adjacent rays and share a point. So these are angles at a point. Oop, let me fix that arrow here. These are angles at a point. And we know that angles at a point sum to 360. So 129 degrees plus 117 degrees plus angle I equals 360 degrees. So angle I equals 114 degrees. Again, there's another way you could have done this. You could have found the supplement to 129, use that as alternate interior, or use that as corresponding, and added those together to get I. This was the fastest method that I observed to use.